Hey Abundant Parents, it's Leah. In this video, we're going to be talking about how really connecting with your inner child, really doing the best by yourself is actually the best gift that you can give your kids. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Also, please subscribe. I do post a new video at least once a week, oftentimes more, so also hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post. I oftentimes have people reach out or comment about how much my posts and my messages are helping them, even though they're not parents themselves, either just not yet or really have no plans to be parents. And I can't really say that I'm surprised, because what were we all at one time? We were all kids once, and we all have that inner child that's begging to be heard, to be guided, to be validated. By becoming aware of self-growth messages, much like mine, and applying them to your life, everyone in your village benefits. You bring your best self to the table, and you guide everyone around you with as much non-judgment and love as you can muster. So by becoming that parent to your sweet inner child, you really blossom as an adult. And of course, when you consciously parent your children, you heal your inner child in the process. There's really no other way around it. But the biggest number one starting point in all of that is having trust in the universe. And you can't model trust in the universe to your children if you yourself don't have that trust, because energy doesn't lie. Modeling the kind of adult that we hope that our children become, it's so much more than what we say and how we behave. Our internal dialogue, our energetic dialogue, it has to be impeccable. And of course, that comes with practice. I really don't know anyone who was spot on perfect at that from the very get-go. Along that path of creating trust, you must learn or practice to trust that the universe is only delivering only good things to you. And it's up to you to use all of those events in your life as redirection and as teachings. Of course, it's so much easier to have all of these kinds of understandings when you first trust yourself. Trust yourself to speak kindly to yourself, even if it's on the inside. Or I should say, especially if it's on the inside. Trust yourself to show up for yourself. And listen to yourself when it's providing you inner guidance. Energy doesn't lie. The universe knows what your intentions are. You can't cheat on this test. And your children are always mirroring your neurons. It's just science. So show up for yourself. And in doing so, you'll be showing up for your kids. Thank you so much for watching. I know your time can be limited and valuable. If you'd like to hear more, I invite you to check out the Abundant Parent membership. Each month, I bring in an expert in their field to give you tips and tools for being the best parent that you can be, the parent that connects with your kids best. Go to theabundantparent.com. You're going to want to click on the tab that says membership to learn more. Thanks again, and I'm wishing you a day full of light, love, and abundance.